This is the tank volume calculator for horizontal and vertical cylinders, which calculates the volume of liquid in cylindrical tanks at any fill level. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your tank orientation from the drop-down menu, which offers horizontal or vertical options. For this demonstration, I'm using horizontal. Next, choose the head type from the drop-down, with options for flat ends, elliptical heads, or hemispherical heads. I'll select flat ends for this example. Then enter 3 measurements in feet. The diameter field requires your tank's diameter. The length field needs the tank's length or height, and the fill level field requires the current liquid level in the tank. After entering your values, click Calculate Tank Volume. The calculator will display your results showing the liquid volume in the tank based on your specified fill level. This helps engineers determine partial volumes for inventory management, process control, or tank sizing applications. The calculation accounts for the geometry of your selected tank orientation and head type, providing accurate volume measurements for partially filled cylindrical vessels. Find the link in the description below.